Welcome to Golden Rest Guide. Let me ask you something. What if I told you that one of the most powerful foods for your health is also one of the most overlooked? Not an exotic superfood flown in from across the world, not a costly supplement in a fancy bottle, but a simple fruit you've probably walked past countless times at the market: the pear. Sweet, soft, and humble, the pear is quietly one of nature's greatest gifts. And today, you are about to discover why this gentle fruit can improve digestion, protect the heart, sharpen the mind, and even add years to your life. Stay with me, because by the time this video ends, you'll never look at pears the same way again. When you bite into a ripe pear, it feels almost like silk melting in your mouth. Its delicate sweetness and juicy texture seem ordinary at first, but behind that simple bite lies a history that stretches back more than 3,000 years. Pears were first cultivated in Asia, where in ancient Chinese culture the pear tree came to symbolize longevity, purity, and even immortality. In Greece and Rome, pears were dedicated to goddesses of love and fertility, cooked and served at grand feasts, and treasured for their ability to nourish and comfort. Over time, explorers carried them across continents, and slowly the pear became a quiet favorite in households across the world. Unlike other fruits that came and went with trends, the pear endured, carrying not just sweetness but also a deep healing power. Now let's talk about what the pear can do for your body. A single medium pear contains about 6 grams of fiber, nearly a quarter of what your body needs each day. Fiber is one of the most underestimated nutrients in modern life, yet it is also one of the most essential. It keeps digestion moving, prevents constipation, helps sweep away toxins, balances cholesterol, and keeps blood sugar steady. Think of it as nature's own broom, cleaning your system gently while feeding the healthy bacteria in your gut that defend your immunity. For seniors, this becomes even more valuable since digestion slows with age and blood sugar fluctuations become more common. Just 1 pear a day can make a noticeable difference, creating smoother digestion, fewer sugar spikes, and greater comfort. But the pear's benefits don't stop at fiber. Inside this small fruit, you'll also find vitamin C, the antioxidant that strengthens your immune system, helps your body repair itself, and supports glowing, healthy skin. Pears provide vitamin K, which is vital for strong bones and proper healing. Add minerals like potassium, which relaxes blood vessels and balances blood pressure, and copper, which supports cellular health, and you begin to see how this simple fruit acts like a natural pharmacy. What makes it even more remarkable is how gentle it is on the body. Pears are one of the least allergenic fruits in the world. They are often the first fruit introduced to babies, and they remain a safe choice for older adults with sensitive digestion. The real secret, though, hides in the skin. Many people peel pears before eating them, not realizing that the peel is where most of the antioxidants live. Pear skin is loaded with compounds that reduce inflammation, protect your cells from aging, and even guard against chronic diseases. In fact, the skin can hold up to 6 times more antioxidants than the flesh. So the next time you enjoy a pear, try eating it whole, skin and all, to get the full benefit. Beyond the body, pears protect the heart. The soluble fiber in pears binds to cholesterol in your digestive tract, preventing it from entering your bloodstream. Over time, this lowers levels of LDL, or bad cholesterol, and keeps your arteries clear. Meanwhile, potassium works quietly to relax your blood vessels, reduce strain, and keep your blood pressure stable. Every bite of a pear is like a gentle guard for your heart. And research now suggests that pears may also help protect the brain. The antioxidants in pears can fight inflammation in the brain and help preserve memory and focus. Some studies even show that diets rich in antioxidant fruits may reduce the risk of diseases like Alzheimer's. Imagine that. A fruit so simple it almost feels ordinary, yet powerful enough to quietly defend your heart and your brain at the same time. The pear is also versatile in the kitchen. You can eat it fresh, just as it is, juicy and sweet. You can slice it into oatmeal or yogurt for breakfast, pair it with walnuts and cheese in a salad, poach it gently with cinnamon and cloves for dessert, or bake it into warm dishes for comfort. Its natural sweetness allows you to cut down on added sugars in recipes, making meals healthier without losing flavor. But here's a tip: pears ripen from the inside out. That means the outside might look fine while the inside is already too soft. To check, press gently near the stem. If it yields slightly, it's ripe. And if you want to speed up ripening, place the pear in a paper bag with an apple or banana, and it will be ready in no time. Let me share the story of George, a retired teacher in his 70s. He struggled with constipation, high cholesterol, and energy slumps throughout the day. His doctor suggested adding more fruit, and George chose pears, one each afternoon, sometimes raw, sometimes baked. Within weeks, he noticed smoother digestion, lower cholesterol numbers, and more stable energy. He said, almost laughing, "I never thought something this simple could change my life so much." George's experience is proof of what the pear can do when it becomes a daily habit. Across cultures, pears have always held a place of honor. In Japan, crisp Asian pears are celebrated for their refreshing crunch. In France, pear desserts are considered classics. In ancient Rome, pears were roasted and spiced at feasts. Everywhere, across centuries, the pear has been there, quiet, nourishing, timeless. And yet in modern life, many of us walk past them, choosing apples, bananas, or berries instead. But the truth is, the pear is not just another fruit. It is one of nature's most underestimated treasures, affordable, available, and packed with healing gifts. So remember this: eating a pear is not just grabbing a snack. It is choosing to strengthen your digestion, protect your heart, sharpen your mind, and slow the process of aging in the most natural way possible. It is one of the simplest and most powerful acts of self-care. A pear in your hand is not only food, it is a fruit of history, of healing, and of hope. Here on Golden Rest Guide, we believe that life's most powerful answers are often the simplest ones. The pear is proof of that. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, share it with your loved ones, and subscribe for more natural health and wellness tips. And I'd love to hear from you. Do you already eat pears regularly, or will you start after today? Leave your thoughts in the comments below. Your stories inspire this community, and I can't wait to read them.